Hello and welcome to KDAS Quick. KDAS Quick was founded close to a decade ago. Since then, KDAS has developed a vast experience in the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. We provide a wide range of air conditioner units which include packaged rooftop units, split units, chilled water systems, and evaporative coolers. Whether it be a quick AC tune-up or even a large roofing project. At KDAS, we stand behind our quality installations and the ability of our technicians to perform their tasks following standard industry procedures. We are dedicated to making sure you are happy with the work you receive from us.